Did you know that every breath you take, every step you walk, and every bite you eat involves microscopic life forms? These tiny creatures, known as microorganisms or microbes, are everywhere. They're in the air, soil, water, and even inside your body. Invisible to the naked eye, they form an integral part of our planet's ecosystems and our daily lives. Microorganisms encompass a diverse array of life forms. They include bacteria, archaea, fungi, protists, algae, and viruses. Each of these groups is unique in its structure, function, and role in the environment. Bacteria and archaea are single-celled organisms that thrive in a variety of habitats. They play a critical role in recycling nutrients in the ecosystem. Fungi, on the other hand, are known for their decomposition skills, breaking down organic matter and returning vital elements to the soil. Protists, a diverse group of eukaryotes, range from single-celled organisms to complex multicellular entities. Algae, like plants, carry out photosynthesis, converting sunlight into energy and releasing oxygen into the atmosphere. Then there are viruses, non-living entities that can only reproduce inside the cells of their hosts, often causing diseases. These tiny organisms have a colossal impact on our planet and our lives. Consider decomposition. Microorganisms are the planet's ultimate recyclers, breaking down dead plants and animals, returning nutrients to the soil, and playing a fundamental role in the planet's nutrient cycles. Or ponder fermentation, a process harnessed by humans for centuries to create a plethora of products. From the tang of yogurt, the creaminess of cheese, the rise in your bread, to the fizz in your beer, microorganisms are the unseen chefs in your kitchen. In the realm of biotechnology, microorganisms are indispensable. They're used to produce life-saving medicines, vaccines, enzymes, and even biofuels. Yet not all microorganisms are our allies. Some can cause severe diseases in humans, animals, and plants. Despite their minute size, microorganisms exhibit astounding diversity and adaptability. Their different shapes, sizes, colors, and structures are a testament to the myriad ways life can exist. They can evolve and mutate rapidly, enabling them to survive in changing conditions and resist antibiotics. In summary, microorganisms are microscopic powerhouses that drive many of Earth's biogeochemical cycles. They assist in decomposition, fermentation, and biotechnology, can cause diseases, and form symbiotic relationships. Their diversity and adaptability make them a fascinating subject of study. So, the next time you take a breath, remember, you're not alone. You're part of a complex, interconnected world teeming with unseen life. Microorganisms might be tiny, but their impact is truly global. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe for more exciting explorations into the world of science.